What's up, guys? It's Nick from I Review Good Apps, or NWSA 97. And as I said, actually, well, it's been a long time and I haven't made a video, and so we got a little present, and it's the wireless Apple keyboard. And so I'm going to be making some unboxings of this, and in my next video, Snow Leopard. Not right now. This is just the keyboard. So I'll show you the box, just documentation, then the keyboard, then blah blah blah. Picture of the keyboard, wireless keyboard. Picture of the keyboard upside down. Then the Apple logo and another Apple logo. Okay, so as we do this, we get a keyboard. Now I'm going to take this off the stand that I have. So, sorry. As you guys can see, it comes in a little box. Just flips open like that. And it's the keyboard, wireless Mac or Apple keyboard. And right here is the little thing. But wow, it's really light. Wow, it's really small. And I will do a comparison. 1 second. Documentation, starter guide, I'm pretty sure. I really don't think... 1 second, just want to see. I don't think there's anything in here. So I'm gonna leave that in there. And so... and it's in the plastic stuff. I don't want to take it off, but I gotta. So, just sit right there. And, oh, that doesn't sound good. Okay. Wow. It is really small. I just can't believe it. 1 second. So I just want to power button right there. And here's the bottom. Some sort of plastic right there. Rubber stoppers, which is awesome, and rubber stoppers right there and right there. Yep. And on this side, oh, there's a little thing on it. There's a plastic covering over it. Oh, powered on. Oh, turned it on by accident. Oh, so there is batteries in it. Okay. Now I just want to see if this... nope, doesn't work yet. So... I'm going to look at the directions of how to set this up. Sorry. So, the direction down here. And, no Apple stickers. Warranty, Bluetooth regulation crap, and the wireless keyboard. Now, using your Apple keyboard, make sure this works. Yeah, I created my custom background. Alright, so let's type in YouTube. Oh, and I typed it wrong, but it's working. Alright, so I'm getting to really love this keyboard, but the only thing I don't like... why is it not working? Oh, alright, now everything's going. Okay, what am I doing? Alright, guys, thanks for watching. This has been NWSA 97. Oh, 1 second. Comparison. I'm so sorry. This is my old black Labtech laptop wireless keyboard. Now, here is the size comparison. it's about a good 5 inches less. Alright guys, thanks for watching NWSA97 and I Review Good Apps. Subscribe and look up for an upcoming unboxing of Snow Leopard. Alright, see ya.